off that throttle.
Look, I can't put it close to the hole. Okay, shit now.
Good job. You got a winch?
Oh, I got a winch.
Let's get this tree, and they'll pull you over to the right side.